this is a Dell a client gave me and said it's not booting up, but it's a Windows 7, and this year 2019 is the last year Microsoft would be updating Windows 7. I previously made a video of this Dell, but for some reason the beginning of that video didn't come out too good, so I deleted it and I decided to just show the Dell, and I'll put it with the rest of the clips so I can post the video. This is the Dell. In the previous clip, I opened it and well, I showed everything. It has two screws at the back of it here, one here and one there, and you just slide the cover to get into it. So this is it for now. Just continue watching the video and enjoy. Okay, this is what the desktop look like. When you open your desktop, make sure to touch the chassis to discharge your body from static electricity before you go into the desktop. This fan here I would be removing. I cleaned it already, but there's some dust trapped on the inside. This is the hard drive here, the CD-RAM, and your hard drive is over here. So I'm going to pause the video and continue the cleaning process. Okay, I start recording with the GoPro, but for some reason I run into some difficulties. But this is the CPU fan from the Dell laptop. You could see how dirty it is. And let me show you all the desktop, although I started cleaning it already. Okay, I removed this fan, and if you notice the debris behind here, this is a lot of dust. It had one screw right here. One screw right here. Once you remove that screw, you slide it down. I'll pause the video and do some cleaning up. Okay, I've cleaned the top of the CPU. I've cleaned the heatsink, making sure that there isn't any paste on it. and also the fan. I've cleaned that also, and the CPU fan. So now I will be replacing the components back. I will pause the video because I would need both hands. I would put some thermal paste on the heatsink and put it in. So I will pause for now. We'll be back shortly. I've placed the thermal paste on the heatsink and also the CPU. Place the fan back. Right now I'll be putting the CPU fan on and powering on. I'll pause the video because I need both hands. I have replaced everything, cleaned the CPU fan, take out the dust in the desktop, and put the power supply back. Now I'm going to power up the unit and see what is what, if it was the dust or if it's the power supply that is bad. As you can see, it's a Dell. Nothing is being done. So the only other option I have is I do not have a power supply to try, but ordinary power supply from another CPU should work. So I'll put it in and see what is what, and then I'll tell the client if to get another power supply. But since this is Windows 7 and Windows 7 is going out next year, there won't be any update for it anymore. I do think it's wise that she invests in getting a power supply. If she can get one locally, second-hand, that's a better option than ordering a new power supply. This is it for now. Let me try the other power supply and see what is what. Yeah, I did a Jimmy Flicks. The power supply is bad. As you can see, it's booting up. So I would have to tell the client either get another power supply or get another computer, because Windows 7 after this year will no longer be supported by Microsoft. So this is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe until the next video. Thank you.